Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload photos on Pinterest. So let's start. First, open the Pinterest app. Now go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on the plus icon on top right hand side. Now tap on Pin. Now select the photo you want to upload from your gallery. And then tap Next on top right corner. Here you can give this picture a title and also a description if you want to. If you have a website, then you can add a destination link. When you are done, tap Next on top right corner. Now you have to add this pin to a board. Now tap on Create Board. And I'll just name it Recipe. And then tap Create on top right corner. And that's how you can upload photo on Pinterest. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.